Welcome to Blacksburg, Virginia. There is lots to do in beautiful Blacksburg. The view of the Blue Ridge Mountains is incredible. The city of Blacksburg, Virginia is an incredible city. Local bands having loads of fun. There's always activity here, including the local farmers market, the local storefronts with plenty of shopping opportunities. And we can't forget about the home of the Virginia Tech Hokies. Go Hokies! It's 2024 and it's time to get this season going with a great season ahead. Lane Stadium in Blacksburg, Virginia is the largest stadium in Virginia and holds 66,233 shouting fans and sounds and feels like an earthquake with all of these Hokies. Come join us for a great place to visit or come watch a great game.